The double planetary gearbox, stainless steel auger and bowl which form the rotating assembly, and the stainless steel case that provides operational containment are all finished and assembled on the production floor of the main plant. The auger, its flighting and feed chamber require the utmost attention due to design and operating complexity. Once the flight blades have been welded into position, blades are either hard-surfaced or machined and tiled using tungsten carbide. The auger is then finely balanced to optimize efficiency and ensure trouble-free operation. Rotating assemblies are manufactured from 304L or 316L stainless steel, but can also be manufactured from mild steel when applications are less corrosive. Bowl and auger undergo stress relief prior to assembly. Rotating assemblies are also machined and balanced to withstand high-speed pressures. Prior to delivery, each centrifuge is performance tested.